Stop losing customers. These 7 digital marketing types bring them back. Are customers visiting your business once and never returning? You are not losing them because your product is bad. You are losing them because your marketing isn't bringing them back. Hey, I am Mehul Brahmbhatt, CEO and founder of MatrixPay, and I have helped hundreds of businesses improve customer retention and build consistent digital growth. Today, I will show you exactly how to bring customers back using 7 powerful marketing types. With 15 years in digital marketing, working with brands across India and various countries, I have seen exactly what brings customers back and what pushes them away. So, let's break it all down clearly. SEO, the foundation of long-term customer return. Let's start with SEO because this is the backbone of long-term visibility. If customers can't find you again, they won't return, and SEO fixes that. Here is how SEO brings customer back. It keeps you on the top of Google when customers search again. A well-optimized website improves speed and experience. Customers love that. Quality blogs, videos, and pages keep people coming back for more information. When your brand keeps appearing at the right time, customers naturally return. Now, let's talk about speed because sometimes you need results today. PPC, the fastest way to re-engage lost customers. SEO is steady, but PPC gives you instant access to lost customers. If someone visited your website once, PPC helps you follow up. PPC helps recover customers by retargeting ads, remind customers to revisit your product and service. You can show personalized messages like discounts or updates. PPC helps you appear instantly on high intent keywords that matter. Fast visibility means fast return traffic, but customers also stay with brands that feel human. Social media marketing. Stay connected, stay remembered. Your customers spend hours on social media, so showing up there is non-negotiable. If they stop seeing you, they stop thinking about you. Here is how social media makes customers return. Regular content and stories keep your brand top of mind. Engagement builds trust, comments, DMs, and community matter. You can use targeted social ads to reactivate old customers. When customers feel connected, they come back naturally. But connection is stronger when you provide real value. Content marketing, the value engine that pulls customer back. Content is one of the most powerful tools for loyalty. People return to brands that educate, guide, or inspire them. How content marketing helps you regain customers. Blogs, videos, and guides build trust and expert positioning. Quality content answers the exact questions customers are searching for. Good content keeps customers spending more time with your brand. When your content solves real problems, customers don't forget you. Next, let's talk about direct communication. The 3 power tools for customer retention. These 3 are extremely powerful for return customers. They work quietly but deliver strong comeback rates. Email marketing, your direct line to returning customers. Email lets you tap customers on the shoulder in the most direct way, straight into their inbox. You can remind them about offers, new launches, or even the things they left behind in their cart. And the best part? Automated email sequences keep re-engaging customers even when you are not actively doing anything. ORM, Online Reputation Management, your trust builder. When you respond to reviews, good or bad, you show customers you are listening. Strong ratings and positive feedback instantly improves the chances of someone giving you brand another try. And when you consistently manage your reputation, people feel safer choosing you again. E-commerce marketing, your return purchase engine. Smart e-commerce tools help you reconnect with customers the moment they drop off, like sending a reminder when they abandon their cart. You can recommend products based on their past behavior, making their experience feel personal. Loyalty points, exclusive offers, and repeat buyer rewards give customer a real reason to come back instead of drifting to competitors. When all seven types work together, you don't lose customers. You build a cycle of return, trust, and long-term revenue. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these seven digital marketing types are you using right now? And which one do you want to get better at? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Hit like if this helped you. Subscribe for more smart marketing breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next video.